Welcome to Algebra Online. Here's a simple example to show you how to apply that straightforward rate equation if both of the contributors, in this case painting a garage, work the same amount of time. So let's say that John can paint a garage in 12 hours through working by himself, and Karl can do the same thing, paint a whole garage in 6 hours. How long will it take if they both paint the garage together? All right, we'll write down our equation. We can say that rate of the first person, in this case John, times the time, plus the rate of the second person, in this case Karl, times the time, equals the whole job done. So what we need to do now is find the rate of each person. So the rate of the first person, that would be the rate of John, is equal to, well, let's see, if John can do the whole thing in 12 hours, then 1/12 of the job per hour would be the rate for John. And the rate for Karl, since Karl can do it in 6 hours, then 1/6 of the job per hour would be the rate of Karl. Now we plug that in here, so we can say 1/12 times the time plus 1/6 times the time equals the whole job done. And now all we have to do is solve for t. We can do that by multiplying both sides of the equation by the lowest common denominator. In this case, the LCD is equal to 12. And so we multiply the left side and the right side by 12. When we do that, 12 times 1/12 is 1, so we get t plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2t is equal to 12, or 3t is equal to 12. Then we divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of t, and t is equal to 4. And of course, in this case, that was hours. So when both work on it together, they can do it together in 4 hours. So that's how we first calculate the rate for each contributor, and then we plug it into our general rate equation. In this case, notice that the time for both is the same because they both work on it. They start and finish at the same time, and that is how it's done.